No meal in Punjab is complete without an achar or pickle. Let's see how to make authentic Punjabi achar at home.
Hello everyone. The ingredients we need are raw mangoes 2 pound. Cut them, wash them, then cut them and let them dry for a couple of hours. Carrot 1 medium size, cut it and also let it dry. 5 green chilies, garlic cloves we need half a cup, radish we need 1 medium size, wash it, cut it and let it dry. 3 limes cut in half, red chilies 2 tablespoon, whole red chilies quarter a cup, black seeds 2 tablespoon, mustard seeds 2 tablespoon, fenugreek seeds 2 tablespoon, fennel seeds 2 tablespoon, salt 3 tablespoon, white vinegar quarter cup, turmeric powder 2 teaspoon, crushed red chilies 1 tablespoon. We need oil. I'm using mustard oil and olive oil, 2 cups of mustard oil and 1 cup of olive oil initially, but later on we will add more. After 1 week when we stir it, we will add more oil because the pickle will take at least 50 to 60 days to be ready. And if you are health conscious, you can even change the ratio of the oil. You can increase or decrease the olive oil, but traditionally the pickles are made in mustard oil. First we will heat the oil. This process eliminates the moisture in the oil, so your pickle will retain its color. Otherwise, if there is moisture in the oil, after a couple of months your pickle will decolor. When you see the oil heats up, just turn off the flame and let it cool down. Now we will prepare our pickle. Cut the green chilies, open it, add some salt in it, now add some of the mangoes, radish, carrot, cloves, add half tablespoon of chilies flakes, 1 tablespoon of red chili, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seed, fennel seed 1 tablespoon, salt 1 tablespoon, black seeds 1 tablespoon, mustard seeds 1 tablespoon, and half of these chilies. Then mix it. Always prepare your pickle in a glass or plastic container and use plastic or wooden utensils to avoid the fungus buildups. Add more mangoes, lime, carrots, cloves. Now add rest of the vegetables. Add spices, 1 tablespoon of salt, turmeric 1 teaspoon, fennel seeds, red chili 1 tablespoon, chili flakes 1 tablespoon, whole chilies, black seed 1 tablespoon, mustard seed 1 tablespoon, fenugreek seeds 1 tablespoon, now we will add white vinegar. Mix it well. Now add oil. The oil should be lukewarm. After adding oil, mix it well and we will cover it and leave it for next 4 or 5 days, and after 4 days we will stir it again. In the start we have to stir it every 4 days, and after 2 or 3 times then we will stir it after 10 days, and in first or second time you will see that how much oil in the pickle, and you can add more oil because all of your pickle should dip in the oil. After 4 days we will stir it, and at this point we will also taste the salt. If you need more you can add it, and don't use metal spoons in the pickle. Always use some plastic or wooden spoons.
And what's the reason for that?
It makes some chemical reactions, so most of the time when you use metal spoons your pickle will get a bad color. It becomes dark or black. We will stir it, and I will also shift it to a jar. Your pickle should properly dip in oil. You can see this, and as I mentioned earlier, you have to stir it every 7 to 10 days now, and the pickle will be ready in approximately 60 to 70 days. After 60 days my achar is ready to eat. You can see